Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw 2 cute ice creams that are best friends. Yay! Are you ready?
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw a big heart shape right in the middle of the paper. This heart will show how much our ice creams love each other. Now, let's draw 2 ice cream bars. Start with a rectangle shape under each side of the heart. Now, at the bottom, add a small handle for each ice cream stick. Draw wavy lines at the top part of each ice cream to show the melting ice cream part. Now it's time to make them look adorable. Let's draw 2 cute eyes and a smiley mouth on each ice cream. To make it even more lovely, draw little hearts all around the ice creams. They're spreading love everywhere. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens or markers and let's begin coloring. Pink color.
Wow!
Blue color. Brown color. Red color. Dark pink color. That looks so sweet and beautiful. Well done, everyone. You did an amazing job drawing and coloring these cute ice cream friends.
Hi, little artists. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a cute heart with a crown. Are you excited? First, let's start drawing with our black marker. We'll begin by drawing a heart. Great job! Cool! Now, let's give our heart some personality by drawing 2 cute eyes and a smiley mouth.
Awesome!
Awesome! Now, let's draw a crown on top of our heart to make it look royal. Look at that!
Awesome!
Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Look how nicely our heart queen is dancing. Now it's time to color. We will use some beautiful colors to make our heart and crown look amazing. Let's start with yellow color for the crown.
Wow!
Next, orange color. Now, let's add some red color.
Cool!
Cream color for the rest of the heart. And finally, pink color for extra cuteness. Wow! Our cute heart with a crown looks fantastic. Awesome job, everyone! Look at our beautifully colored heart queen. Keep practicing and being creative. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.